Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to send one-time view video on WhatsApp. This feature lets you send videos that can be only viewed once, enhancing your privacy and control over your shared content. So, let's get started on how to send one-time view video on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp on your device. Open the chat where you want to send the video. Tap on the camera option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the gallery option. Select the video that you want to send. Before sending, look for the one icon next to the add a caption option. Tap on this icon to activate the view once feature. This setting ensures that the video can be only viewed one time by the one who receives. Finally, tap the send button to share your disappearing video. The recipient will now be able to view your media only once before it disappears. And this is how you can send one-time view video on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.